pretty. Let's dive in. Boots, I had a dream about a glittering waterfall. We were floating and splashing in the rainbow water.
What are we waiting for? Let's go find it. How do I look?
Like a swimmer. Vámonos. Let's go.
Yay!
Let's go this way.
So guava-y. But how do we get across, Dora?
I have an idea. We can swing across. Whee!
Ooh! I want a tutu.
My turn.
Swipe!
Swiper!
Got your tube. Can't catch me.
We have to get my tube back so I can play in the rainbow waterfall.
Don't worry, Boots. I promise we'll get it back.
A candy canyon? Watch this.
Swiper made the bridge go up.
I have an idea. Jump, Dora! Perfect landing. Got you, Dora. Now you can walk across.
Gracias, Boots. Now let's catch Swiper.
Can't catch me. Oh, man! Oh, my tube.
No, Swiper. That's my tube. Oh, Tubby, I missed you.
Yay! Now we can play together.
Woo, it's so fabulous.
Súper bien. Adiós. Súper bien. We did it, yeah. We did it, yeah. Fuimos juntos, we did it together, yeah.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Shimmer and Shine YouTube channel for new videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.